Hello, it's your buddy Ken, and I am inviting you to Mindfield 2.0 in Brownsville, Tennessee. Yeah. Now, you won't be able to climb this tower yourself, but your quad or your drone can. Anything that flies, come on out. It's going to be a great time.
It really is a wonderful place to fly, and it's going to be a lot busier and more fun than last year. Sponsors include LoomCube, FreewellGear.com, Fly High FPV, RemotePilot101.com, GPC Professional Cases, and Bluetti Portable Power. This is the EB70, link in the description. You can plug everything into this thing. It's got an emergency light, and you can even wirelessly charge your phone on top.
Come on down, buddy. Oh, the mighty Mini. Link in the description.
Make sure to order your Mindfield interactive t-shirt now. None will be sold at the event. It comes with a name tag for your name, and then on the back, everyone you meet can sign their name. If you need to camp out the night before, here's where you do that. If you get hungry because you forgot to pack a lunch, the Mindfield Grill will be open and serving in the parking lot. This is an absolutely free event. Bring the kids, bring the cousins, bring your fixed wing, your camera drone, your FPV, anything that flies. It's going to be a radio-controlled good time. Plenty of parking for RVs and cars, restrooms available, and there'll be plenty of outlets for charging. Please go to mindfieldmeet.com and register. This is the only way we're going to know how many people to expect, and we'll also know then if you've read the disclaimer. If you're not registered, you won't be eligible for the raffle, and there's going to be a lot of great prizes. Artist Billy Tripp has opened up his entire complex for us flyers, so feel free to explore anywhere you want. In fact, if you go the right way, you might end up seeing the man himself. Hey, Billy! Woo! Well, I gotta hand it to you, Billy. You really look good in the shirt.
Well, thanks to help from one of my friends who is very similar to other friends that I hope gather here on August the 21st.
That's right.
A Saturday.
Can you do a turn around, do a twirl? Let me see the back of the shirt. Oh yeah, this is where everybody can sign their name and the people they met.
Here's the behind-the-scenes climb up to the top of Billy Tripp's water tower at Mindfield. This is my first time doing this. Oh man. Oh man. It's dark in here. Billy's already up there, opening all the doors. First thing is this ladder. It's not bolted to the floor, and I'm able to shake it. Okay. Billy is older than I am, and he's able to just shimmy up here. Whew. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is familiar. This is, yeah, I remember the, that's awesome. What'd you say it was? The sound of giving birth?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I'm going to send you out there. You go take a look. Oh man, all right. I don't know if anybody is even understanding what I'm saying in here. This is the most natural reverb I've ever heard. All right, I'm gonna sing a song with this natural reverb. You ready? That's awesome. This is truly amazing. I've never been inside a water tower. All right, I'm going up. Yeah, the ladder is hot. Oh, oh yeah. Woo. All right, now to set up the drone. I've got the Mini with me because I thought the Inspire 2 might be too big to lug up here. This has got to be the wackiest place I've ever flown a drone from. All right, it did it. Yeah, all right.
On one of my first takes, I prove how rugged the Mini 2 is.
Hello friends, it's your buddy Ken, and I'm here in Brownsville, Tennessee, inviting you to Mindfield 2.0. Where am I? There I am. Oh my God. Hello. Oh, that was a bird.
I thought I hit a bird.
I hit a bird.
I actually hit the crane and scared a bird that was sitting on it.
And we're good. Oh, I gotta love that Mini. So this is the kind of thing where I always let my mom know what I did after I've lived. And so, indeed, I have lived. The one and only time I'll do that. Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.
He's somewhere there in the dark. Here he is.
You're very welcome, as always.
All right. We'll see you at Mindfield, August 21st. Buh and bye.
Ditto.
Yeah.